Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView on Bybit. First, navigate to any trading pair on Bybit's spot or derivatives interface. You'll find the integrated TradingView chart as your primary analytical tool. This powerful integration allows you to apply various indicators and drawing tools directly, enhancing your market analysis without leaving the exchange. It's designed for seamless trading and charting. Mastering the essential charting tools is crucial for effective trading. On TradingView within Bybit, you can easily add indicators like the Relative Strength Index or MACD to gauge momentum. Drawing tools, such as trend lines and horizontal lines, help you visualize key price levels. Remember to experiment with different settings to find what best suits your trading strategy and market conditions. For more in-depth analysis, TradingView on Bybit offers advanced features. You can switch between various chart types to gain unique insights into price action. Consider using volume profiles to understand where significant trading activity occurs. Additionally, the platform supports custom scripts, allowing you to develop and implement your own unique indicators or strategies for a competitive edge. To truly optimize your trading, integrate your TradingView analysis with Bybit's execution capabilities. Once you've identified a trade setup, you can place market, limit, or stop limit orders directly from the chart interface. This seamless workflow minimizes delays and helps you capitalize on market movements efficiently. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Consistent practice and continuous learning are key to long-term success in trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.